This goes out to you and you know who you are. When glory days turn to stormy nights, you must have been so petrified. You are against the world in a losing fight. God, take out your demons inside. So you saw an enemy like times before to mock ignorantly. Take heed to the world, it's time. Check Proverbs 19:29. Don't cry. I wish you well. I wish you well. I wish you well. I truly wanted solidarity. Still wearing my blinders back then. Watch out who I see. I wait for what I dream we all could be. Still will pray till the end. Still bruised, still opponent sheds. Save for right and child, had to protect myself. But you can't manipulate me like before. Examine 1 John chapter 4 verse 4. I wish you well. I wish you well. I wish you well. If my shows of gratitude are misrules inside your mind, sorry. Please forgive me. There's only so much I can do. I love you and did all that I could. Maybe you're cursing me. You don't feel so incomplete, but we've all made mistakes. Friends, the guilt and self-hate. I know that you've been there for plenty. Maybe it's never there for me, but let him without sins cast the first stone and pray. But who is running there? Not you, not us. Simply ask for a night. I wish you well. I wish you well. I wish you well. Against me shall prosper. Surely God is my salvation. I will run and not be afraid. The Lord is my salvation. I will trust in Him. Yes, I know that I know. But I have God's help to this very day. And so I stand here and testify the small and great lie. So the more you curse me, the more you're blessing me. The word say, love your enemies, do good to those who curse you. Pray for those who mistreat you. Psalms 129:2. They have greatly oppressed me from my youth, but they have not gained victory over me. I wish you well. I wish you well. I wish you well. He that keeps his mind on Savior, He will keep them in perfect peace.